Alright, let's go over some SOLIDWORKS assemblies. So we have our part open here. To start doing an assembly, we can go to this drop down arrow next to this new document button and do make assembly from part. Now we can hit check, and that will bring our first part in and it will lock it in place. What we can then do to add, let's say we wanted another one of these part ones. We can go to Insert Components, click Part 1. Now we can see that we can move this one around. And this dialog box here lets us flip it around, let's say, the y-axis. You can flip it around the x. And then you can also do it around the z. And you can change the angles that it rotates here. So you could say 45 degrees. Oop. I accidentally hit enter. Let's go insert part 1 and change that to 45, and now you can see we're rotating it 45 degrees about this z-axis here. So let's just go ahead and drop that in. Now in order to line these plates up, we can go up to this button here, Mate, and let's do the concentric one first, so we can grab these two circles, and SOLIDWORKS will automatically move them in line. And this little pop-up dialog box can let you pick the different ones. It will assume that you want concentric, but you could also make it tangent, as you can see. And then you can also lock rotation on it, so that this won't rotate as seen with this. The other thing we need to do is we want this face to be contacting that face. So if you click those two, we can now see that it's going to get a coincident constraint assumed. So we can hit check. Now we can see that it's constrained about this circle concentrically, and it's glued to that face. The other thing we want to do is make this coincident with this. We can hit check. And now we have a fully mated piece.